The science fiction series Mystery Quest is Pakistan's first proper series written not for children, but for adults, although children can read it as well. It has been written by a spiritual scholar, which is why, along with science fiction, spiritual experiences are also an integral part of the story. The themes of this series include new inventions that are likely to become possible within the next 20 years. Encounters with extraterrestrial beings are also a central theme. Concepts such as the astral world, parallel universes, lucid dreaming, and out-of-body experiences are consistently explored throughout the series. Mystery Quest is essentially an organization that researches the mysteries of the world. The headquarters of the Mystery Quest organization is located in Ottawa, Canada, and people from different countries work there. This is why the main characters of the series belong to various nationalities. Each mission takes place in a different country, allowing readers to experience a new environment and explore a new place in every novel. This series has been written by Asrar Ahmad Adraak, who has practically spent his life in the pursuit of spiritual knowledge. He often incorporates his personal experiences into the stories. Therefore, the series also serves as a means of gaining insight into real spiritual and scientific subjects. In the first novel, The Forbidden Area, the secrets of the famous Egyptian pyramids are revealed. The second novel, Astral World, focuses on out-of-body experiences and lucid dreaming. The third is a long, serialized storyline consisting of several novels, collectively titled Sky Gates. Its themes revolve around extraterrestrial beings.
Here are incredible, don't you think?
Yes, and the air smells so fresh.
Let's see what else they have.